Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about a new thing that is CRUD with the Node.js and the Firebase and the Firestore. So how we are going to do that, we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. For that one, you have to install the npm install express firebase admin. So you need to install this package. Okay, let's dive into the code level. First, express firebase admin service account. So how to get this file? Go to your firebase account. Okay, go to your project settings over here, the service accounts. Okay, then we have a service accounts. It's loading right now. Okay, here we have to generate new private key. Click on that generate new private key. You will receive this kind of file, .json file. Okay, paste it into your folder. Okay, after this, what do we have to link this one. Okay, require this link. So you have to import this file over here. After that, we have to admin.initialize app with the credentials admin credential.ser.service account. Then db admin.firestore app express use express json. Okay, then first is that how to get the API documents. So this is the endpoint to create a document. So this is the collection test, and this is the required body to add that in a document with this collection. Okay, and it will log that the document created with the id and document.id it will return. Let's have a look on that one. So I have created this one with the previous, and you can see that if I go to my here, you can see that we have a test, then we have this document. Let's add a new one. So I will add Rajnikant. Here we will add the technical Rajni, and the email would be technical Rajni. Okay, let's send this. We get the document ID, and let's here you can see that new document is created with the technical Rajni and the name. Okay, let's copy this document and paste it somewhere else so that we come to know about that the document. Okay, this is the document, right? So first we will fetch all the list of the document. This is create one. So endpoint to create a document. So we have created a document, and in the console you can see that document with ID is there, right? Next one, to get all the documents. I want to retrieve all the documents that we have. So just get. Okay, we have make the documents first empty array, then for each that one, and push each and every document ID with the data. Okay, and return the documents. Let's try to hit this one, API documents. So here we go with the postman, and let's make it the get request and check all the responses over here. So here you can see that ID data name and email, ID data name and email. Okay, so this is the get one. Okay, so you are getting all the list of the documents, right? Then we have to update the documents. Okay, so you need to pass the ID and make it a put request. So same thing, we will make a put request with the ID document. I think it's a documents ID. So let's take an ID of technical Rajni, this one, and I'm going to update the technical Rajni with technical Rajni 2. Okay, so here we go with this one, technical Rajni. I'm meeting a 2222. Okay, just send it. Document updated. Let's get it. Okay, and we will check here also. So here you can see that a technical Rajni current 22 is updated. Let's get the listing of that one also, and here you can see that technical regional 22 is updated. Okay, the last one, that is delete one. So here we go with the, this is the endpoint to update a document. Okay, just require the required params.id and docref update require.body. Okay, whatever we have in the body, right? Next we have the delete endpoint. So API documents ID delete. So here you require the again the parameter and docref dot delete. Document deleted successfully will go all. Okay, and the last on which server is running. Okay, let's try to hit this document also. So I'm going to delete the same document with the technical Rajni. Okay, so here we go with this one. So I'm going to put this document ID over here and make it a delete request. Okay, currently we have a 2 records. Let's send it. And document deleted. If I go and fetch my all documents over here, you can see only I have one document and one more document is deleted. So this is the full-fledged CRUD operations using the Node.js, Firestore and the Firebase. Any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.